Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 9 of statistics, that is measures of central tendencies. Central tendency, or what we know as average, are of various types like arithmetic mean, median, mode. In this chapter we are going to study only one average, that is arithmetic mean. First of all, let us know the meaning of central tendency or average. What is a central tendency or an average? It is the central value or figure that represents the whole group. Means a particular value in the series or the data given to us which will represent the characteristics of the whole group. That value or figure will be known as average. Clear? Measures of central tendency. What are the measures of central tendency? These are the methods that we apply for finding out the averages. Means all those methods of statistical analysis by which we can find out or calculate our central tendency or averages, all those methods are known as measures of central tendencies. Various types of statistical averages can be broadly categorized into two categories. First is mathematical average and second is positional average. Mathematical averages are those which can be calculated by applying a mathematical process or formulas. Means we have to apply a particular mathematical operations to find out these averages. Clear? And positional averages can be worked out or find out based upon their position in the statistical series. Means what is the position of those series into the statistical what is the position of those values into the statistical series. Based upon their position they are find out. That average is known as positional. Mathematical averages are generally three: arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. In our chapter we have to deal with the arithmetic mean only, and in the statistics we will study only arithmetic mean, and these positional averages, geometric and harmonic mean, we will not study here. Clear? Arithmetic mean can be further classified as simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. We will come to know how can we calculate both of these one by one in this chapter 9. The positional averages we will gonna study in our chapter 10, that is median, partition values and mode. Median is a value which divides the series into two equal parts. Partition values are quartile, decile and percentiles, means which makes our series into parts or divides our series into parts. Quartile divides our series into 4 parts. Decile divides our series into 10 equal parts. Percentile divides our series into 100 equal parts. And mode refers to that average which occurs most frequently in the series. Means whose repetition is much more in the series. That value is known as mode. Clear? All these positional average we will gonna study in our chapter 10. Here in chapter 9 we have to focus on arithmetic mean only, that is simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. Today we are going to calculate the simple arithmetic mean in various series.